Hi, I'm Jeff Cooey, your kitchen designer with ProSource of Jacksonville. I just want to let you know what we have here and what we offer. We have 6 different cabinet lines, everything from your flipper homes to your customizable kitchens or your beach home. We offer everything between quartz, granite, and quartzite countertops. We have all of your plumbing you may end up needing, bathtubs, shower doors, and all the design processes which I'm going to help you with. We're going to start with having you come in, make an appointment, bring in your measurements, or send me your PDF file for your kitchen plans, and then I'm going to take over from there. We're going to pick out door styles and finishes, help you with your countertops, help you with your handle choices, so you come out with a beautiful kitchen. This is just one of my pieces of work. So come and visit us at ProSource of Jacksonville. Again, I'm Jeff Cooey. Thanks.